author of 8 books, so she knows her stuff. Dr. Alloway, thank you so much for being here and talking about this very important topic that sometimes a lot of folks don't want to talk about.
It's so true, Charlene. Thank you for having me.
And you know, sometimes the person's willing to talk about it, but family and friends they don't want to talk about it.
It's true, but it affects us all. It's not just the individual that's being affected. It's also the people around them, their loved ones, their friends, that also get the side effects of that difficulty.
And they want them just to fix it or take care of it, or why are you reacting this way? And we'll get into some of those issues in a second, but I really want to touch on why women are more impacted by this than men.
Yeah, and it's really fascinating because you see the range of prevalence hitting women as low as 2 times more than men and as high as 6 times more than men. So there's quite a big range depending on what studies you're looking at, but the bottom line is simply that women tend to be more effective and more affected, excuse me. And we now know from a study that just came out last month that it has to do with the way the brain is structured in a woman. There's a part of the brain called the locus coeruleus, and that produces a hormone called norepinephrine. And when you have a deficit of this hormone, this leads to depression, to anxiety, to stress. And the study also identified that women in particular, these receptors are 3 times higher. So in other words, when a stressful situation occurs, women have these receptors firing 3 times more than men. So they're going to interpret that event as 3 times more stressful.
So